Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how I make aloe vera gel and use it as a pre-treatment in my hair. Okay, so I got this aloe vera leaf from my local grocery store. When picking out a leaf, you want to look for leaves that are thick and firm to the touch. So the first thing I do is wash it thoroughly under cold water to remove any dirt or debris. Next, it's time to cut my leaf, starting at the thicker end. And do you see how that gel is white in color? We don't want that. You want to cut it until you see green. Here's another piece I cut and it's still showing white. Don't use this. So I keep cutting until I get to the green gel. And there it is. Here you can really see the difference. Look at that juicy, succulent green. That's where the good is, y'all. But we're not quite done yet, because protecting all of that good is something called the aloe latex, and that's actually poisonous, so we got to remove that. And if you've ever used aloe vera gel on your skin or scalp and it caused irritation, this is why. This yellow residue is the aloe latex, so we have to clean our aloe leaf to get rid of it. So to get rid of it, I'm going to cut my aloe leaf into smaller chunks. Cut those thorny sides off, and then the flat end of the leaf, not the curvy part, but the flat end, so you can expose all of that good. So I cut up all of my aloe chunks, and here you can really see that yellow residue, which is that aloe latex. Next, I'm going to soak my aloe chunks in a bowl of cold water for 30 minutes. This is going to help to remove the rest of that aloe latex. Don't worry about losing some of that aloe gel. You'll still have plenty left. After 30 minutes, I drain the water and then rinse the aloe off a couple more times. Now I'm going to use a spoon to scoop all of that aloe into a bowl. Some people are talented enough to use a knife to do this, but I know me. God blessed me with 10 fingers, and I want to keep it that way. So I'm going to stick with the spoon, because this stuff right here is slippery. And here it is, y'all. Doesn't it look beautiful? And now the fun part for me is I get to play with it and squeeze it into smaller chunks, and it feels so good on my hands. Now when I first started making aloe vera gel and I would do this part, it would irritate my hand. My hands would get really itchy and irritated, and there are other videos out there that will tell you that this irritation is just temporary and will soon go away. I even have an older video where I show you how I made my gel, and I also mentioned that the irritation will soon go away. But upon further research, I found out why this was happening. Next, I use a strainer because I want to get that gel and not those big chunks. And there it is, y'all. That's what I'm talking about. And then I put those leftover chunks inside of a knee-high, and I squeeze some more gel into my bowl. You can also use a cheesecloth for this. Once I'm done, I pour my gel into a glass measuring cup and then transfer it to an applicator bottle. In total, I have about 4 ounces of gel, which is more than enough for my hair treatment. So let's get started with that. So here I am with my Miss Sealy hairdo. This is a pre-treatment for my hair, so my hair is currently dirty, but I detangled it the night before and put it into these twists. So I'm going to start in the back and apply the gel to each twist. First, I'm going to dampen my hair with this As I Am Restore and Repair Jamaican Black Castor Oil Water. I love this stuff. Do you hear me? It keeps my hair soft and moisturized and helps to reduce breakage. Next, I take my aloe vera gel and apply it directly to my scalp and then down the rest of my strands. I rake it in really good to make sure every strand gets coated. And I also give my ends a little extra TLC. Next, I make sure I massage it into my scalp really good. And that's it. So let's talk about the benefits of this pre-treatment for your hair. Doing this will help protect your hair from losing moisture during the wash cycle. My hair is very dirty and has lots of buildup, so I'm going to be using a clarifying shampoo which can strip my hair of moisture, so this treatment will help to combat that. Aloe vera is one of nature's miracle plants because it is enriched with everything your hair needs to thrive. It has fatty acids and amino acids and is rich in vitamins A, B12, C, and E. These all play a part in healthy hair follicles. Rubbing it into your scalp and hair and letting it penetrate your hair follicles helps to condition and improve damaged, dry hair. It also helps to calm an itchy scalp and get rid of dandruff. And because it helps strengthen your hair, that promotes healthy hair growth and length retention. Y'all, my hair is just soaking this stuff up. And check out that curl definition. Alright, so I applied the aloe vera gel all over my hair and I massaged it into my scalp really well. And I still, as you see, have a whole lot left, so I'm just going to go back in and hit some areas that I feel need the most moisture. That back area, the crown, don't forget your nape. It feels really good, y'all, especially on your scalp. I'll just add some more to my ends. This stuff has so much slip. Can you hear it? That's the sound you want to hear when you're applying this to your hair. Hear that? Oops. And here's the back, y'all, with the gel applied. So I'm going to sit under my hooded dryer for about 30 minutes because my hair is low porosity, and when I sit under the dryer, it helps to open up my hair cuticles so this treatment can really soak in. So I'm going to be using this plastic cap on my head, but if you don't have a hooded dryer, you can just put a plastic cap on your head or a plastic bag and just walk around your house for about an hour or two and then rinse the treatment out and shampoo your hair like normal. And y'all, my hair is going to feel so soft. I love doing these treatments, especially during the summer months, because aloe helps draw moisture into your hair and I'm all for that. So yeah, my hair is gonna be really soft. And then after you shampoo, don't forget to deep condition, and then it's gonna even feel more soft and moisturized. So yeah, let me know if you tried aloe vera treatments in your hair before. If so, how did it work for you? And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click that like button. And if you like videos like this and you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and join my little YOLO family. And then click that notification bell so you don't miss another one of my uploads. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye.